I stayed up really late again. I'm really tired. But I'm up for today. Might end up taking a nap or something. Yeah, I might probably go to sleep right after this. This looks like a good draw to the downside right here. Like a good Judas swing draw. We'll see.
Wow.
Oh my god, I just realized what happened. I'm not interested in any of this. Sorry, this is gonna be a more quiet video. I'm really not like in the talking mood. Pretty tired. I have to dig 3 evals out of drawdown. This is the balance basically. Nothing could have prompted me to take any 1 minute inversions as of now. So sitting out of this. It's also a 1 candle inversion. I'm done with those as previous videos. I'm not taking those anymore. This one looks like it came off of a older block though. It doesn't look that bad. Like it feels different, but no. Nothing could, yeah, like I said, nothing could have prompted me to take this. So. Like I wasn't looking originally for an internal high to be swept or something. It was either like the top of this range or the bottom of this range. The internal high being swept, and now that we're moving, makes it have reason now that I see it, you know? But who knows if it's gonna run. Now looking at lower time frame, this looks like a good draw. 8:30 data wick, yep, looks good. Makes sense as well. Just created a bullish lower time frame gap and came down and respected it, getting a little push higher. SMT at these internal highs, it seems. Doesn't even look remotely close to the same with correlation. Hey. First, give me right. So this is currently what my eyes are sawed on. 5-day sweep, 8:30 wick draw. The only big issue is that the markets are not cleanly correlated right now, which I've seen losses come from this. No matter how clean the setup seems that's presented to you. I wouldn't get in it. I'd let it. Nope. Oh my fucking god. Okay. Wait a second. How convincing does this come off? If the next candle is an inversion, not this one, the next one. The first give me brain rot. I started thinking about what's up. Nope, not any. The first give me brain rot. I started thinking. The draw below it is just so good. And it's close.
Order filled.
I'm in. Break even here. The draw is too good. It's actually too good. Oh, 1450. Wait. Oh, I just put that in the wrong spot. Way too wrong. This is an area of potential stalling. Not really expecting price to just bounce off of this 1 minute and completely invalidate the trade. I think it's a stalling point. I don't think this 1 minute bearish or bullish gap is stronger than the higher time frame draw entirely. Hey, but we gonna find out real soon. The price gave me brain run. I spent to think about it. Potential BPR here. If we see this become an inversion, then put the fries in the bag. I'm closing the trade. You want to see fast movement after this area, displacement through here. Preferably not hang around this area so I can finally move my stops to break even. I think that's big enough displacement to lock in risk management. Now if we just sit here and watch. am I going? Just holding.
Order filled.
Bang. What a beautiful trade, man. What a beautiful trade. This is just. That is so nice. I have to screenshot this. This is fucking majestic. Genuinely. Holy shit. That is beautiful. This is freaking beautiful. This is literally beautiful. Dude, if trading was genuinely like this every day, man. Oh my god. Alright, well. Quick breakdown. We have a new range created overnight. Market leaves high of day, chops a little bit, doesn't make any moves lower to fully take out this low resistance run down here. It's basically trendline liquidity. We get a retracement on the 5-minute time frame. You can clearly see we're rejecting these highs. We got a wick. If we look at the 1, 3, 5, 15-minute time frames, there's no gaps that are like going against my bias here. There's no like, okay, we can retrace respect to 5-minute, continue higher, or retrace respect to 3, continue higher. It's just purely 1-minute gaps. We have at least like 3 bearish candles before something gets inversed that, gives me more conviction that, okay, we're actually going to go lower. It's not just one bluff big candle. Like, if this was just one candle that inverts this, I would have stayed out. But it was like 1, 2, 3, 4 candles almost. And after, like, I see that, okay, I'm interested. I like the R is good enough for me. I can rock with it. We get the inversion. I'm okay with going break even once we get displacement away from my entry. That happens here. Big displacement. I went break even before making it necessarily here, because if we get this big of a move downward, I expect continuation lower, not coming back to my entry, stalling, doing whatever. And then a BPR as well. So we got the inversion, created another bearish bearish gap along the way down. We come up, instantly rebalance this, respected like the midpoint, didn't go very far past it. And then the draw is a 8:30 news wick from, earlier, an hour ago ish. Like, 8:30 put in this wick, and it's used as the drawn liquidity. And I don't care about what the market does or where it goes from here. I trade it to my clear target, and I really like this trade. I really, 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 really like this trade. This is nice. But other than that, I'm out this thing. Unfortunately, I don't get to really benefit off of this trade that much. It's just a trade that got me back in the game, you know. But I'm feeling really locked in. I'm feeling like I'm making better decisions. You know, after I had to reflect and journal like the past few days and weeks. What trade should I be taking? What trade should I be avoiding? What time frame should I be avoiding? I feel like today though was a really like honestly a handout. This was really easy to navigate. Just good price action all around. It benefited me today. Just being aware and ready. Just gotta really hone in on what I need to be avoiding. Like master that skill. I have it down a little bit. I need to get it even more. But all right, man, I'm out. No need to be sitting on this market too long. Really, really clean trade, beautiful setup. Sorry for the boring video, but trading is boring. I like seeing stuff like this happen though. That's why I stick around. But yeah, I'm out, man. Deuces.